I am Kaira Bake. I live in Chad. I am 26 years old, and I work as a nutritionist. And I work also as a food advocate as I collaborate with farmers and breeders and even fishermen. For me, the future of food systems is a food systems that is more resilient and benefiting our health, ourselves, and also our planet. The role of youth in food systems transformation is really important because youth have the power, they have the energy, and they can easily transform complex problems in simple solutions. My big idea in transforming food systems is to invest more in smart agriculture and also taking into consideration uh, indigenous knowledge and rural knowledge in order to have a food systems that is more local.